In the previous tutorial, I showed you how to offset the wall. Now let's have a look at moving objects. The Move tool, which is over here. The shortcut for the Move tool is MV. You can see the shortcut if you just hover your mouse over the function. I'm going to hit Escape, exit the Offset tool, and you can see the Move tool has got the shortcut MV in brackets over there. I want to move all of these objects, but the elevation and section tags are in the way. Just like we did in the first tutorial, let's use the Filter command. I'm going to select everything, Filter, check None, select only the walls, and hit Need OK. Now the walls are blue. Now I can use MV to move, and it's going to put a bounding box around everything that's selected. Now I select a starting point and an end point, and I'm going to move the wall over here. Now let me explain a few more points about the Move command in a little more detail. Let's say I want to move multiple objects at the same time. I'll select the object and hit MV for Move, which will put a bounding box around the objects. Revit will show you a square to assist you in selecting the exact end or start of an object, a triangle to show the midpoint, and an X means when you are selecting the object but are not at the start, end, or midpoint. Now I'm going to click to move the object and watch what's going to happen. Revit is going to drag the other walls along with it. So if you want to move a wall but don't want it to drag the other walls as well, hit MV and then hit the Disjoint button over there. Move that across over to here. That has disjoined the walls. Remember, Revit will automatically join walls unless we tell it explicitly to disjoin before moving the wall. Now I want to show you the constraint option. Hit MV again, and now Revit will lock movements to up, down, left, right, or a 45-degree angle.